In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make your pictures beautiful and how to remove background from your pics in order to use them for YouTube. And we are starting right now. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashik and you're watching Technical Media. This video is going to help you in making your thumbnails more beautiful. Let's get started. I'll tell you about the app which will help you to remove the background from your pics, and you can edit your pictures to make them more beautiful. This is called pics art, and this is a very good app and I personally like it the most. Now what you have to do, you have to add your picture to this, and after then you can do so many things with your picture. Like I'm starting right now, you have to click on the plus sign. What you will go to the photos. After then take some photograph, add some photograph to your, like I'll take this one. Now this is not a free app, so you have to watch these ads in order to add your picture to this. So what I'm going to do, you have to click on that cross, and after then you will get that picture in this pixel art. Now what you have to do, you have to crop it. Go to the tools and crop it, click crop, and then crop it to the size, because cropping will exactly help you to remove the background more perfectly. So what you have to do after then, you can do many things with this picture, like you can beautify it, you can beautify it by various tools here. If you want to change hair color, you can do that as well. Teeth whitening, reshape red eye. If there's a red eye on the photo, you can change that as well. Smooth, if you want to make it smooth, you can do that as well. So these are the now you have auto things as well. If you want to make some changes here, you can do that as well. And now what I want to show you here is this cutout option. This cutout option is very good in this pics art app. What you have to do, if you want to remove that background from this photograph, what you have to do, simply you can do it by two ways. You can select the person. You have to click on the person, and the person will be selected and the background will be removed. You can just add face or hair or head or background. You have the various options available here. You can do any of them. So my motto is here to or there's another option, that is outline. You can outline this photograph yourself, and by that way you can also cut out this picture from rest of the background. Simply what you have to do, you have to click on that outline, and after then you can change the size of that brush which you are going to use. Like I'll show you a bit. I have clicked on that outline. Now if I outline it, it will outline the photograph. If you're good at it, you can outline the photograph, and after then you have to click on the arrow which is on the right side of your screen, on top right of the screen. You have to click on that arrow. Now once you click that arrow, it will remove the background from the, now you can see only the person is selected here. Now you have other tools as well, like if you want to restore some portion of your picture, you can do that as well. If you want to erase some portion, that option is available as well. So I'll restore some place because it has not included my hair, so you can restore it like this. And if you want to erase something, like it has highlighted this portion as well, can erase that as well. So various options are there. But now if you want to preview it, you can see that almost all of the background is removed. And you have to do it. Now it depends on how perfectly you will do it. You can do it in a very good way. Alright. So the other thing is, the other option which I was telling you about is the simply you have to uh, click on the person and the app itself will highlight the person. That's a very good option. Person. So I'm telling it to just highlight the person. Now the person is highlighted by the app itself. You don't have to use that outliner to outline your pic which you want to retain. So if I click to the review, and you can see now the background is removed from the pic. So this is how you can remove the background from your pictures, and you can use them in your thumbnails in your YouTube and make them more attractive so that you can retain your audience. If your thumbnails are good, you can get more clicks on your videos, and that way you can increase your views on the YouTube. So this is a very good app which you can use. After then, what you have to do, you have to save that picture to your gallery. That option, what you want to do, you can export this picture to your library. You have to click on that arrow again. Now it will ask you to watch the ad. You have to watch that ad for some time. Click on the cross and it will tell you that where you want to save that picture. You have to press on the gallery or wherever you want to. If you want to share it to the Facebook, you can do that as well. WhatsApp, Messenger, wherever you want to do, you can share it there. If you want to save it to the gallery, you have to press on the gallery. Usually we keep them in gallery, so you have to press on the gallery and your photo will be taken to the gallery and you're done. Click on the done and you will have that photograph in your gallery now. If you want to do more project like that, you can do that, and this app is called Pics Art, and I personally like it a lot. So if we want to check the gallery now, that photograph would be there. You can see it there. You have got that photograph there, but you have to do the slight adjustment with that auto person mode as well, because if you can see, there are some portions which are included in there. You have some portion here on top of the head, some portion, and by doing it, it would have taken me a lot more time to show those little things, and I hope you can do them yourself, and you can use them for your YouTube thumbnails. There are other tools which YouTubers need to include in their setup, and I'll talk them in my later videos. Stay tuned to my videos, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Thank you.